Homes are more than just structures. They hold stories, memories, and dreams. At See It Gone Junk Removal. In Marysville, California, we've been on a mission for over 2 decades, transforming forgotten houses into cherished homes. We specialize in turning homes from old to gold, offering a range of services tailored for bank-owned properties, auction houses, short sale properties, and REO homes. Every home deserves a chance to shine, especially when it's ready to welcome a new family. See It Gone pours love and care into foreclosure property value restoration, ensuring homes gleam with hope and beauty. Marysville isn't just a town, it's a family. See It Gone ensures every home we embrace meets Marysville's safety standards, wrapping them in security and assurance. Our commitment goes beyond cleanouts. It's about the well-being of our community. Before we begin, we carefully inspect every nook and cranny of the house. By understanding its specific needs, from a simple foreclosure cleanout to more intensive care, we ensure nothing is overlooked. We value your time. Our team is trained to work efficiently without compromising on quality. Quality shouldn't be a luxury. That's why we strive to offer competitive prices for all our services. Plus, if you're curious about the costs, we're transparent and quick with our estimates. You'll know upfront what to expect, with no hidden surprises. For us, it's not just about cleaning houses. It's about reviving the charm of Marysville, one home at a time. From foreclosed home restoration in Marysville to post-eviction cleanout Marysville, every project is our contribution to enhancing the beauty and allure of our beloved town. Ready to transform your property or assist a neighbor in need? Contact See It Gone. Junk removal today at 530-328-3872.